Hi everyone. This video we're going to be changing the media filter for my AC unit. So this is a train furnace or blower with a Honeywell, or it uses a Honeywell media filter, and the size is 20 by 25. So this is going to go in there in this particular section here. So this particular part right here, there's a handle here. It pulls out like that, pulls out this way, and this will stick in just like that. And you have to make sure that it has the right direction. So there's a airflow direction here. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, right here. So there's an airflow direction this way, which means that this media filter has to be positioned like this, because I have the ducts. These are where the air comes out. So the air goes this way, pointing that way. The air goes this way, so we have to put the media filter like this. All right, so let's get going, and I'll show you how to remove this. This is sometimes very tough. This is just you just pull it out. Oh, actually, that's not bad. The first time though that I did this many years ago, you notice that there's all these what they call the HVAC glue or white mastic that is all surrounding this for a tight air seal, and those things were gluing the cover against the actual blower AC unit, and making it very, very hard to pry apart. I remember having to use a utility knife, scoring it all around, and I still have to use a screwdriver and trying to get the leverage to open it. And I finally got it open. As you can see, it was such a pain that I still remember every year that I would like to change this, I remember that it is going to be a pain. Oh, look at that. I actually got the airflow wrong. Well, hang on a second. No, this is actually right. I apologize. These two ducts are intake. And over there, you'll see that I have the supply. This is the supply side that supplies the air to the rooms. And the reason I would know this is because the evaporator coil, which is this thing right here, this is the evaporator coil. The evaporator coil is the last unit. This cools the air for the air conditioner, and this is the last equipment that cools the air before it goes out to the rooms. And also, another way that you can tell, you would always have more ducts for the air output. You see, you'll have like 1, 2, and then over there, you'll notice that I have about 1, 2, 3 more ducts coming out of this particular unit. So that's how you know that this is the air is actually blowing this way. So I apologize. I was wrong. The air is blowing this way. All right, so let's set this one aside. Set the dirty one aside. Anyway, before I do that, take a look at that difference. So I always like a before and after picture. So that tells you how dirty that is and how clean. And I change my media filter every year. I do have 3 AC units, and not all the AC units are blowing all the time. So I use my ACs moderately, and this is pretty dirty, but it's not nasty. Anyway, all right, so let's get it changed. Okay, so let's open the media filter first. And make sure the airflow is pointing to the right direction. Where is that thing? There it is. Okay, so there you go. The airflow is pointing this way, going this way, and we're just going to slide it in. There's these two guide rails right here. There's one rail here and then one guide rail here, and so if they're on the bottom, there and there. So you make sure that it goes in within those rail. And oh, here's a good way to also find out. You see that there's an airflow indicator right here. Yeah, so the airflow is pointing this way. That ensures that we did install it correctly. And then we'll just attach the cover back on like that. And there is one thing that I would like to point out. There's a seal here on the cover. You can see there's foam seal, and make sure those are still good so that it makes a good tight seal, because we don't want to have air leaking here. And just push it in, and there you go. I forgot one thing. Let me open this again, and I'm gonna get a pen. Excuse me. I would like to write the date, today's date, that I changed this filter. Almost forgot. So I'm gonna get a marker actually, and write the date of today that I changed this filter. And I'm also going to note it or set a reminder on my phone next year, the anniversary of today next year, to change this media filter so that we don't forget. Anyhow, I'm not going to show you how to write, obviously. So I'm just going to assume that I have a pen or a marker, and then I wrote it. And make sure you also do the reminder on the phone. Anyhow, if this video was useful and you like this video, please hit the like button. And I would also appreciate if you haven't subscribed to my channel for a lot of do-it-yourself around the house and helpful things like this particular video. Please hit the subscribe button. It would help me grow my channel. And thank you for watching.